If you want to make money typing with Scribie, then stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Drew Gallagher, and today I'm going to show you how you can make money transcribing and typing for Scribie. So Scribie is another great transcription service on the market. When you're transcribing, basically all you're doing is typing out an audio file or a video file in a document form so you can repurpose it. You'll be writing these transcriptions for customers. They'll request something to be transcribed, you'll write it out, and then you will give it back to them, they'll approve it, and then they'll go on their way. So if you want to become a transcriber for Scribie, what you do is you scroll down on the home page all the way to the bottom and you click this Apply Now button. After you click that button, you'll get to a page that says you're going to submit your application, take an online test, and then you will be able to earn per audio hour. It gives information about the job, so you can make $5 to $25 per audio hour. And then there are short files, 10 minutes or less. There's free automated transcripts, so you can save 60% of the typing effort, so you don't have to type every single thing out. So you can get promoted to a reviewer, and then a self-reviewer, and then a proofreader, and then a QC based on performance. So you can move your way up within Scribie as you do more work for them. There's no monthly commitments or obligations, and they don't assign files. You can choose whichever ones you want. You can work from home, you can make money online, and it's a great way to start a side business. So it gives more information about how many different people they've worked with, how much money transcribers have made, and how many freelancers there are. If you want to become a transcriber on Scribie, you have to understand English well and be able to interpret conversations, be able to apply context and identify mistakes, have a verified PayPal account linked to a bank account or credit card, a headphone or headset, a laptop or desktop computer with an internet connection, and the latest version of Firefox, Chrome, or Safari. So they talk to you about the transcription process. And the first step is that a file is split into 6-minute intervals, and then there are sections that transcribers like you can transcribe them, and then you can give them back to the customer to put them back together. The raw transcription is collected, it's reviewed, proofread, and then is put through a quality check. After that, it's sent back to the customer. You can earn a bonus of $5 for every 3 hours completed each month. So you can refer people to Scribie to be a customer or a transcriber. So if you refer a customer, they're going to pay you 5% affiliate commissions for every transcript order, which is really good. And then 2.5% if you refer a transcriber for their direct earnings. And there's no limit on that. They encourage you to promote Scribie on your blog, your Twitter, your Instagram, your YouTube, and all sorts of different places. So the certification process goes like this. You apply, you confirm your email, you wait for the invite, submit your test file, which will assess how good you are at transcribing, and then you become certified. So you can look at the potential earnings. So if it's only transcription, you can make $200 to $300 a month. Transcription and reviews, $300 to $500. Transcription, reviews, and proofreading, you can make up to $700. And then if you do quality check on top of that, you can earn $1,000 a month, which is a great side business. You can check through the guidelines. The guidelines are really important when you're transcribing because they want you to use a certain grammar and a certain format. So you should read through the style guide before doing the test. You can look at a sample and work through the sample, which would be really helpful. They have terms, frequently asked questions, and you can even practice, which I would highly recommend. You can verify your PayPal account by logging into PayPal on the Apply tab, and then you can take your application test. Scribie is a great way to make money online on the side, and it's a great way to help people out that are looking for repurposed content in a text format. I'm going to drop a link to the application in my description for Scribie. You can click that and you can start your application to work for them. I am an affiliate at Scribie, so I will get a commission if you decide to use my link. I would really appreciate it. Although transcribing is a great way to make money online, you're not going to make a ton of money unless you put in a ton of hours and you work your way up the ranks. If you want to create a real passive income source, I'm talking when you wake up in the morning, you look at your phone and bam, you made $1,000, then you should look into affiliate marketing, digital consulting, or e-commerce. These are sustainable models that have been proven to help people make money online. I can help you leave your 9-to-5 job, start a business from one of those models, and secure your place as a passive income earner. If you want to learn how to make an extra $2,000 to $3,000 a month doing affiliate marketing, digital consulting, or e-commerce, then I suggest you go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom. Put in your email, and then you will have access to the #1 training on the market to help you go from a 9-to-5 worker to a 6 to 7 figure earner. I hope you apply to Scribie to make some extra money on the side. If you liked this video, hit that like button. I'd really appreciate it. And subscribe for more content like this. Thank you so much for listening. Peace out.
Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.